Muttley, where Dad at? Well, tell him hey. Tell Daddy hey. Tell him you miss him. Say I miss you. Tell him you miss him. Yeah, him be home soon. You may come in and pet you? Come here. Come here. He's a good boy. Come here. What you doing? No crying, no crying. What's the matter? What's he doing? Muttley. What's he doing? What? What matter? What are you doing? I'm coming in. Okay? Meet me at the back door. Muttley, meet me at the back door. Okay? I'm coming in. Crazy boy. Hey! Hey, Muttley! Come in here. Come here. Come here, boy. What are you doing? Don't stop smelling. What are you doing? Talk to me. What are you doing? You got food? You been eating? Let's see. You got fresh water? Let me get you some fresh water. Come here. You want meatloaf? Are you wanting meatloaf? Come here. You want a treat? You want me to give you a treat? Come here, I'll give you a treat. What is that? Oh, you want a treat? We might get in trouble. Muttley, will we get in trouble? We don't kill him. Good boy. Go hide it. Go hide it. He's hiding it. Where's he go? You hide it, Muttley. You gotta hide it. Get it, boy. Get it. Come here, I can't see you. You gotta have bright lights. Get that treat. Get it. Muttley, get this. Get it. Get that treat. Quit smelling my crotch. Where's Dada? James! Come get Muttley. Look, Muttley. Muttley. He'll be home in like 2 days, okay? But he's thinking about you. He misses you. He loves Muttley. You're his best friend. Yeah, you are. You're his best friend. Yes, you are. You're a good dog. Okay, his electric razor. I guess he's Jordan's and took it.